Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create grocery price tracker in Jotform table. So first thing, go to sign up and get the Jotform ID. You can sign up to Jotform. Then in products, you will find Jotform tables. It will take you to a dashboard like this. Then you can create the table by clicking on create table. Now here you can start from scratch, use template or import the data. So here we are creating something custom, so we will go with start from scratch. We'll try to guide you by creating some default fields, so I'm going to delete them, right? So if we choose delete item, it will get rid of these columns. So first thing, we will add short text, name it item, right? Then we will also add multiple options, so single selection answer or multiple. So category will be always single selection, so we add in category as single selection. Next we will have to add those options. So let's see, kitchen items, then bedroom items. You can also go on edit those colors as well if you want, right? As you can see, you can add kitchen items, then you have this particular color, then you add, let's see, bathroom items, right? Then you have cleaning, food and others, right? So this is pretty much single selection option. Click on create and that will be added. Now next thing is using the price, so it should be a number. So price, then we can choose format up to 3 decimal places. It is a currency, so select that. Pick your country's currency, or I am sticking with USD. So create column. Next thing, right, we will add unit with number option, right? So click next. So it should be always your typical 1 2 3 4 and not decimal, right? So create column for that, right? Then we have another short text for notes, right? And we can also have total option, so it should be a formula, right? So we can do, let's see, a formula. So advanced formula, and let's see, if I choose price into unit, right? So you can see if that works, right? Click next, create column. Syntax error here is missing, so we will go back and choose formula name total, right? Then come here and try now use say unit and multiply with price, create column, right? So we have that column, and finally notes, right? So we have pretty much created our table for those forms, right? So add new item. So we do that by typing in, let's say, scrubber. Then we choose category, right? Then we choose price as 2.99, unit 5. Then automatically total will be done and notes will be, right? So like this I can keep on adding. See here, I choose soap, then add, right, its price, right, and the total will be automatically done, and then we have notes. So like this you can also create a form for this. We can go to edit form, and in new tab you will find that particular form. Here you can also edit the name of form. Make sure the name stays on top. Here you can rename that table name as grocery price tracker. Then you can preview this, right, and it will look something like this. So if we remove the preview form and hit publish, it will be available. You can open a new tab, looks something like this. So you add item, then choose the category, then price, unit and notes, then click on submit, right? So pretty much these two options you have for adding the entry into your table. So giving the option to form would be much better option. Then you also have activity tracker, right? So pretty much two things settle. You are good to go with grocery price tracker in Jotform table.